honeymoon, come here with another layout. And this picture is during our lockdowns. We had to do school via Zoom. So Mateo had Zoom on his Chromebook that we got from the school, and then I had to go and purchase, my laptop just wasn't cutting it, so I had to get, super slow, so I had to get a desktop. Just was 10 times faster and more efficient because I couldn't get anything done because it would take forever. I'm like, oh my gosh. Anyway, so Mateo, he would get done with his classwork because they didn't have very many lessons to do, and he always finished it quite quickly, and then the rest of the week he had nothing to do, so I told him, pace it out. You don't have to spend all day at it. So he'd get bored. So I would be in my scrapbook room doing classwork or whatever, doing my lesson plans, because I've never worked so hard in my life as I did during that time. Anyway, so and he would Zoom me from his Chromebook to my tablet so I could still work. And he took a screenshot of him, and Theo was over by him. So anyway, that's the story behind the picture. And it's a really good picture too. I mean, but anyway, so my background is Basil cardstock from the add-on kit. The gray polka dot pattern is from Dream Big. It's their exclusive pattern paper. And here I pull out all those stickers trying to figure out what to do. The star pattern is also Dream Big. It's Time to Shine. And I want to tell you that the die cuts are Dream Big also. And then those two strips, the wood green and the pink, that is actually left over from another kit. I don't remember which month. It would have been the 2020 kit. I just don't remember which month. And it's Heidi Swap, old school. And this is at our old house too. Which has nothing on this house. This house is absolutely amazing. I'm gonna do a layout. I took pictures. I'm gonna do a layout of before and after, because I've done a lot of work in the yard. A lot of work in the yard. I was doing pictures, before and after pictures for my sister, and I was even amazed. I'm like, wow. I wonder if the lady stopped on her walk and it's like, you're doing shows, your yard is looking really good. I'm like, oh, thank you. Because I planted, took out this huge plant and put in, and cleaned it up and put in wildflowers this morning. I'm going to continue to dig the hole for my pond. I didn't get to put it where I wanted it, but oh well. The wood veneer is also Dream Big. And I do actually use some of the chipboard stickers. I'm actually going to get, in July, I'm going to get actual furniture in my house. Well, not the whole house, but the dining room table and the breakfast table. So I'm pretty excited about that because right now we don't have anything. And then next will be the what do they call that? They call it a side table, but I call it a buffet table. Is what I call it. It has places inside to leave your, I guess, your china that you use when you are dining in your dining room, I guess. But anyway, so it's time to do a few things inside. So Zoom Selfies is Dream Big Puffy Alphabet stickers, and Selfies is also Dream Big Puffy Alphabet stickers. So anyway, once I get that down, that completes my layout. So when I have more, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.